Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here. And they also worked on our pool, other team people. Our pool, which I think is now actually almost done. Only two things left. And the steam room. And the steam room is, interior wise, is done. It still needs the equipment installed. Our plumber, electrician hasn't come and will be coming in a couple of days to do that. But let me show you what they did. So the steam room, I showed this before. It's got this tile, little slate tile, but they finished it. They grouted it, and it's all ready to go. It just needs the door and the equipment. That's where the light goes, and the equipment installed, which the steam comes out of that. I'm gonna stick a little faucet on there, or whatever, for that. The equipment goes over here, and they cocooned the building and everything. And so it's just ready for the electrician to come in and install everything. So looking forward, that'll be in a couple of days. And then on the pool, what they did is they worked on the stools. They were actually having tile on the base of the bar stools as well. So they stuck that in. It's behind paper. Right now, the whole entire pool has already been completely cocooned. It's done. Essentially, they just need to cut this piece and that piece over there to be even. Now, what they did today was they stuck this, and I told you earlier about how we're having this all around the pool, this 10 centimeters, which we're going to have rocks as a drainage thing. So when they concrete, which they did over here already, I showed that previously, we're going to do that, of course, around here as well, but they got to get this edging in place. And they're going to probably, really in tomorrow, they'll probably concrete this whole area and then put a nice finish on it that is like you could walk on it. It really looks nice. That's what this is here. So this isn't just raw concrete, that's raw concrete, which is unpleasant to see. And this is it's a nice, it's not really paint, but it's a nice finish that they stick on. It's different than the shikun, which is over there on the walls. We do the shikun on the walls, and whatever they call this finish here on sidewalk, which goes all the way to the beach. Oh, and they attached, this is cool, they attached our gate. So they stuck the sidewalk in, the last part of it that goes down to the beach, just right past our lobby here. And it's a little windy, so bear with me. And they had to stick, which was higher because of the concrete here, our gate higher, so they had to kind of jerry rig this. We'll have to look into that, how I can fix that. Maybe just paint it and it'll look okay. But this is where the shop is now. This is where it used to be. So they had to raise it this much. Concrete. But, now we can walk all the way to the beach. Windy day. Morning, not this morning, which I usually do. And it was perfect. It was fabulous. And in the afternoon, it does tend to get a little windy here, which sometimes is great. What you want, you have to just plan out your day. That's it from here in Yucatan, Mexico. The pool is so close to being done. It's awesome. They did say they were going to finish it this week. Steam room, I'm not sure how long the plumber or electrician needs to finish that. And the solar is done. Took them 2 days to do it, but we're running on solar. I just got to install the app on my iPad, which I'll probably do next. And so we're getting really close to being done with everything. And then we want to break through all the construction and all the people and everything and just enjoy it. So we're going to find out when we can start putting water in our pool and actually use it. And maybe we'll have a virtual disco pool party or something. I don't know, but looking forward to that. So that's it from here in Yucatan, Mexico. If you like the video, be sure you hit that like button and leave a comment if it's positive or you got a question about doing a home renovation in Mexico. And hey, go over to get my newsletter. It's at expatrebel.com/newsletter. I send a newsletter out every Saturday morning. And that's it from here in Yucatan, Mexico. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.